Okay, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hello, my name's Olivia Ogden. I do some of the design work for Scott Ogden Contracting. Scott and me recently bought this investment property in Courtney, possibly our future retirement home. And so we're refinishing it and changing some things up, remodeling, making it what we would like to live in the future. We're trying to keep affordability and style in mind. We don't want to lose the character of the home. So before we even saw the house in person, I had looked at it online. We already fell in love with it. We saw great potential. I already had a Pinterest board. And what I saw was kind of Spanish style with the archways and the stuccos. So I kind of wanted to do a subtle Spanish style. So the house was built in the 1950s. It has some really unique, fun characters about it, like the archways, the wooden framed windows that were actually built into the house. We want to work with what the house is telling us. I want to keep the character of the home. So we're trying to remodel and keep the same structure. The Spanish style elements will be in colors, the tile we choose for the bathrooms, and the front door stoop. I think that's what it's called, a stoop. Front door steps and keeping the archways in the home, those kind of things. Oh yeah, so I had the Spanish look in mind, but because of affordability, I had to work with what was given to me, what was free on Marketplace, or inexpensive, cheap.
All this furniture is either free or secondhand.
But good quality still. I don't want poor quality. So some of the elements kind of went a little French. So it's kind of Spanish, French theme. I had to kind of mix the two together and work with what I had. If you're not afraid of sanding and painting and putting in the hard work and the time, you can take something that looks like it's ready to go to the dump and turn it into something beautiful. When you buy a home or you're remodeling, put it out there to your friends or on your local Facebook page. I'm looking for some old nightstands that someone doesn't want anymore, or a coffee table and then Pinterest coffee tables that look similar, see what they've done with them, to give you some inspiration on how to fix something up and make it unique and fun and new. The benefits of taking something old and making it look new again is the reusing and recycling rather than taking something to the trash. You're saving money, and it in the end sometimes looks the same or better. In this picture, these were the nightstands I had. I painted the bed first, then added the nightstands. I felt it was too heavy. Pulled your eyes down. And in that room, I kind of liked the way the stucco wraps down the walls, and I didn't want to take away from that part of the room. So I swapped the nightstands out in the bedrooms, and it kind of worked anyways with those nightstands in that room because of the color and how deep they were, because the other ones hadn't been painted yet. The other ones worked best in the other room anyways, so it was a win-win for me. And I went with a lighter color on the nightstands in the master bedroom, just to kind of make it a little bit lighter.
Okay, and what gets you through a long day of painting and sanding?
Okay, what gets me through a long day of hard work, painting, sanding? Well, here in Courtney, there's a couple things I have discovered that help me get through those long days. One of them loves ice cream in Cumberland. They try to use all local products to make their ice cream. It's made right there. It's delicious. I highly recommend giving it a try if you're visiting the Comox Valley. The other thing is hot chocolate. It's a chocolatier shop downtown Courtenay. Very good stuff. And on a hot day, a couple minutes down from our house is Plantledge Park, and a nice dip in the beautiful river helps me get through the day.
Shout out to Love's Ice Cream.
That could be a blooper.
Okay, so your notes are awesome, but they're kind of all over the
I know
place.
they're all over the place. But can Rachel just splice it together?